Hello YouTube! Today we will be doing a quick crush look on Jonas. You know when you want to try this on a date night, right?
You want me to wear this look on a date night?
You can try if you dare.
I said, hold up.
We'll be starting our foundation. Your glasses off. So today we'll be using MAC 170 foundation brush with Clarins Tint Foundation Wheat in 109. I usually like to put primer, but because we'll be removing the look in a little bit, we'll just be applying foundation. I like to dab it on my palm so it's all evenly spread out, and I'll just dab.
Oh, this is the makeup on my face.
Yeah, it's the foundation. I just like to dab it all evenly over the face and around the eyes. I dab slowly and then I start brushing and blending it out nicely, like so.
There's makeup on my face.
Then I'll dab a little more over the eyes. Just very little. It's very little. Maybe I should add a little more, but I think it's good. Just for the forehead. And I'm gonna dab it on my palm. Like so. And in a dabbing motion all over the forehead. Maybe I should have got you a
Hair clip?
Yeah, a hair clip or something.
I blame COVID.
Yeah, I know. How are you supposed to go shopping now? Can't even get anything.
Well, mostly the long hair. I blame COVID. Wear a mask.
Next, we'll be using Clarins Cream Shadow for a matte finish. And I'm just going to be dabbing it with my fourth finger, like so, all over the eyelid. Close your eyes. Dab a little more. You want to apply it all over the brow bone. So when you're blending the eyeshadow, it's evenly spread. Okay. Oh, you don't look like a ghost. Next, we're going to be using NARS Cheek Palette. And it's my favorite because it has the bronzer, the blush, and the highlight. Because it's a quick look, I'll be using the blush because it's always handy and it always has that nice pink. And I'll be applying this with the All Shadow brush all over the eyelid. Like so. And dab just a little bit more if you need. And you want to apply this a little bit higher and brush in an inward motion so it's evenly spread out, like so. I think that's good. Next, I'll be using the Motives palette Goal Digger. Goal as in when you want to meet that goal. Goal digger. Not gold digger.
I wonder who uses those.
Goal, you know, you gotta have some dreams, you know, and set some smart goals sometimes.
My dreams died in Nam.
That's too bad. So we're gonna be using Believe. It's like a very nice burgundy color. It's my favorite color. And I'm just gonna be applying this along the lash line, like so. And then dabbing a little bit more all over the crease, like so. Pretty much in the crease, basically. You want to blend it out evenly, like so. Next, I'll be using Spotlight with a fine tip brush, and I'll be applying this on the inner corners of the eye. I'm blending it up towards the middle. Stop tickling me. You're gonna stab your eye. Don't do it. I mean, you can. Lastly but not least, I'll be using Clarins. And this is my favorite sparkle. To give it that perfect sparkle finish.
We're gonna look like Edward in sunlight.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, dreamy.
Yeah, you want it, you know, when you're watching the stars. Alright, close your eyes. And you just want to dab it right in the middle of his eyelid. I'm using my pinky because it's small enough to just go all over. And voila. And I'll just be using a tapered crease brush. I'll be blending it evenly, like so. You want to use like inward motion so that it's nicely faded. Wow, we're starting to look like Barbie. Okay, open your eyes. I'm gonna blend the bottom part out because it's so smudged out. I think it's looking good.
Last time you made, you said I'm looking good. Still have nightmares about it.
I know, but this time it looks very nice. I just need to contour your face.
Okay. I don't know what that means.
I'm just using an angled brush with the bronzer. Okay, can you show me a fish face? Like
this?
Yeah, like you're kissing someone.
Okay. Okay.
So that I can see your cheek line. You know, at the point of
Okay, let me.
The point of having bronzers is so that it defines your cheek bones and your cheek lines. So you put it right there. So you need to show me like you're kissing somebody, like
Okay.
a pufferfish. If you don't hold it.
Okay. It'll be easy.
Yeah, so you can see
Okay.
your cheeks. No, more. Yeah, keep it up. Come on. Okay, and so I start up here where the cheeks are and I just brush it down like so. It defines his cheeks very well. And down here on his jawline as well. And then I'll brush it out towards his chin so that this gives him that perfect jawline. Slowly brushing like this downwards to the jaw and to his chin, and then working up to his cheek again. Perfect. All right. Oh, you know, he has such great memory. So we're going to be applying lipstick with Uyo. I don't even remember where I got this, but apparently it's made in Canada, which is pretty rare.
Do I have to do this again?
No, unless you want to kiss somebody. All right, quit it. All right, here we go. Wow. This is actually a very nice color. It's my favorite. I would be using a soft pink because with the crush look, you want it to take away from the eyeshadow color. All right. Looking fabulous.
Are we good?
Yeah, we're good.
Alright, I'm gonna.
What do you think?
I don't know any better. Actually, you know what? This is a whole lot better than last time.
Is it? So this is what the crush look looks like on Jonas. And if you would like to see what it looks like on me, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful,
Please like and subscribe.
Peace. Mwah.